Hi, my name is Buck Storley. I'm the testing reliability leader here at ASV, and I'd like to tell you about our RT40 model Posi track. This machine is a completely new size and class of track machine that really fits ideally into the rental markets, landscapers, snow removal, or really anywhere a very compact machine is required. Its 48-inch width allows it to work nicely on sidewalks as well as between buildings. It's got a 75.5-inch roof height, which allows it to fit into a normal overhead garage door as well as work in low overhead areas. And its 4,175-pound operating weight means it can easily be towed by a half-ton truck or even a mid-size SUV. It might be small in size, but it really is a powerhouse. This machine features a 37.5 horsepower turbocharged Kubota diesel engine. That engine is Tier 4 compliant and achieves that through DOC only aftertreatment, meaning there's no regeneration, no DEF fluid, no additional maintenance for the customer. With that engine, we backed it up with our larger size Rexroth transmission. That drive pump is actually the same one we've used on models all the way up to 100 horsepower. So it's very much overbuilt for this little guy, so expect a long and reliable service life. That larger pump also helped us to achieve 7.1 mile per hour ground speed, so a very fast machine. And that pump features our Posi Power engine anti-stall system, which puts maximum engine power down to the track system. You combine that power and speed with its 2,660-pound tip load, and this machine really is ready to do bigger work than the small machine that it is. We backed all that up with a very high performance cooling package. It's tested and designed to 100% load, 100% of the time, all the way up to 118 degrees Fahrenheit. So expect to do that big work even on the warmest of days. Underneath this machine, we feature our patented Posi Track drive system that's used on all the ASV models. This one at 3.5 PSI is going to have very low ground disturbance. It's got torsion axles on both the front and rear of the undercarriage that fully suspend that undercarriage from the machine, giving the operator a very comfortable and smooth ride, as well as helping that undercarriage to conform to the ground in uneven terrain for maximum traction. It's got our single rail design, which is a very open design. It really helps debris to fall out and to self-clean that undercarriage. And on the front and the rear of that rail, we went ahead and put metal face seals in those wheels for long seal and wheel life. Optionally, you can add metal face seals to the entire undercarriage to make it just like its larger ASV siblings. As we move up to the cab, you can see we've actually put a completely new cab on this machine. We've added more room, specifically 3 inches of headroom for the taller and larger operators. The new seat in there has recline as well as slide adjustment and suspension. And you can see we've got larger windows and door openings for great sight lines down to the front edge of the bucket as well as to the track. This one we're looking at is the open cab model, but we also have a fully enclosed cab model that is fully pressurized to keep that operator clean and comfortable all day long. So along with all the performance and comfort features we put into this model, there was really a lot of effort put into serviceability. One of the first things you'll see is greasing was made easier by putting all the grease zerks right on the end of the pins for easy access. The fuse panel was put in the operator compartment for easy access and to have a clean environment. As we move back to the engine bay, we can see that the hydraulic oil fill, fuel fill, hydraulic sight gauge, battery, air filter, all those components were moved back for easy access for the owner and operator. The air cleaner and the engine itself also feature self-monitoring via the new electronic display that'll give the operator a message in the cab when service is required. So as I'd said, little machine with big machine performance. High ROC, operator comfort, and great serviceability. We're super excited about this new RT40 model. We hope you will be too. If you'd like to see more, go see it at your local ASV dealer or check us out on asvi.com.